Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete these verification code messages on your iPhone from your text messages automatically, so they would be deleted. Um, so be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and maybe leave a comment on this channel. And now let's go to settings. And to do this, you need to find passwords option. Click on that. And you will need to use your Face ID or your passcode to do this. And now when you are here, just click password options. Now you are here, and as you can see, there are verification codes, clean up automatically. I already turned this on. You can turn this on or turn this on, and yeah, and it will clean up automatically from your messages and mail. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.